Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Remove the cargo trim panel and peel back the felt cover to expose the Lexus RX 350 tail light housing. Work on the side you plan to service first. Use a flat pry tool to pop plastic clips and a 10 mm socket to remove 2 bolts that secure the housing. Keep hardware in a small container and note clip orientation. Expect about 30 minutes for access on one side, and wear gloves to protect paint and fingers while levering panels carefully. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it straight out of the housing to access the bulb. Inspect the glass and filament for breaks. Replace the burnt bulb with the correct type. The brake/turn lamp commonly uses 7443, and the single filament turn often uses 1156, but verify your year and trim. Connect the replacement to the vehicle harness and test brake, turn, and tail functions before reinstalling the housing to avoid resealing with a faulty bulb. Seat the tail light housing back against the body, aligning locator tabs and gently pressing to engage the gasket. Reinstall 2 10 mm bolts and snug them to about 6 to 8 ft-pounds using a torque wrench or controlled hand force. Reinstall plastic clips and the felt cover, then replace the cargo trim panel. Perform a full function check of brake, tail, reverse, and turn signals, and inspect the housing gasket for gaps or leaks to confirm water tightness before finishing the job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.